How to run an examination session and evaluate students' results in TINACloud's Supervisor mode. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the examination session process and show how teachers can follow students' activity and then evaluate their results with TINACloud's Supervisor program. We assume that two students, Student 13 and Student 21, added in the How to Create Classes, Class Members, and Problem Sets tutorial are participating in the examination simultaneously. Let's start from the stage when both students have already logged in, and Student 13 is selecting our previously uploaded exam problem set from the Tools menu under Education and Training. The first task of the previously uploaded exam problem set appears. The other student, Student 21, has also logged in, and just like Student 13, selects and loads the same exam problem set. Let's check what the teacher can see at this moment. We go back to the Supervisor program, select Results, and click on Refresh. Note that each time you would like to see a student's results, you should refresh the screen, or you can also set an automatic refresh after 2 seconds, 5 seconds, etc., but this may be slow in some systems. Under the name of Student 13, we can see their results in detail. If we click the name of Student 21, we can see their results in detail as well. As we can see, both have already opened the first problem, DC theory. Okay, now let's go back to the first student, Student 13, and see how they solve the problem. What is Ohm's law? Let's select the right answer, which is V equals I times R, then click Submit. In examination mode, the program does not indicate if the result is good or bad. It displays only an answer submitted message, and the next problem, current calculation, is automatically loaded. This is a simple application of Ohm's law. The student has to calculate the current through R equals 5 ohms when voltage is VG equals 100 volts. The right answer is 20 amps. So let's just enter the number 20 and the unit amps, and then click Submit. We assume that in the meantime, the other student, Student 21, is also trying to solve the problems. For the first problem, Student 21 is selecting I equals V times R, which sounds similar but is not the right answer. The program does not indicate if this is a wrong answer. It just displays Answer Submitted and loads the next problem, Current Application, which is an application of Ohm's law. However, let's assume that Student 21, who doesn't seem very familiar with Ohm's law, decides to skip this problem and selects the third one, Voltage Division, using the scroll-down task menu. In this problem, the student has to find the voltage value across the R2 resistor, which can be established using the voltage division rule, V equals VG times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Enter the correct answer, which is 60 volts, and click Submit. The next problem, current division, is loaded. Now let's check our student's current status again. Let's go back to the Supervisor program. Click the Results button, then refresh the screen by clicking Refresh. Now open and inspect both students' data in Supervisor. Student 21 has answered 2 problems. The first one incorrectly, as they could not select the right formula of Ohm's law, and problem number 3 correctly. Student 13 has solved the first and second problems correctly. You can check the results anytime with Supervisor, even after the examination has ended, unless you delete the results by clicking the red X at the end of the problem set line. You can also print or save as PDF or as Microsoft XPS document writer these test results using the print function. For more information, visit our website at TINACloud.com. Visit our YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/TINA Design Suite.